This video will show you how you can use the new camera control button to take photos, videos, adjust the camera controls, and other basics about this new camera button. This new button is not just a physical button, but it is also a touch-sensitive capacitive control surface, which allows us to perform actions like a light press, a hard press, and we can also swipe by using this new button. The camera control button is available on every iPhone 16 model, and that includes the regular 16, the 16 Plus, 16 Pro, and 16 Pro Max devices. This button has a couple of different purposes, and the first thing which you can do with this button is to launch the camera app by simply clicking on it once. It doesn't matter if you're in a game, if you're watching a video, or whatever you're doing on your iPhone, just press the camera control button and your camera will open in an instant. So that's one of the functions this button has. When your camera opens and you want to quickly snap a photo, you want to firmly press on this button once and the photo will be taken. But if you need to take a video real quickly, then press and hold the camera control button. You will see that the mode changes and the iPhone will start recording a video for us, and it will record the video as long as you hold the camera button. When you want to stop the recording because you're happy with how the video turned out, just let go of the camera control button and your video will be saved to the camera roll. If we press twice on this button, some camera options will appear, and you can swipe over the button in order to change the control which you want to adjust. This method will allow us to adjust the exposure of our camera. We can change the depth. You can swipe to zoom in or zoom out of the photo or video. The cameras option gives us the ability to quickly change our cameras or lenses. So we have the 0.5 lens, the 1x, 2x, and of course the 5x lens, which is great for zooming in and capturing objects that are far away. And we also have the photography styles and the tone, which are pretty useful. So double tap the camera control button to access this menu, and then light press on the button once in order to select the control which you want to adjust. Let's say I want to change the exposure of my photo by only using the camera control button. I'll double press to open the menu, then swipe until I see the exposure control, and then light press on the button to select the exposure option. Now if I want to lower or increase the exposure, I can just swipe over the button to the left or to the right, and you can see that the exposure of my photo changes. When you're happy with how the photo looks like, just click to capture the photo. And you can essentially use the same gestures if you want to change the other controls from the menu. So if you want to launch the camera quickly, press the button once, then press it again to take a photo, or long hold the button to start recording a video on your iPhone. And use the double press, light press, and swipe gestures to adjust the camera controls with this new button. If you found this video useful and you want more videos like this one, please consider leaving a like because it would really help out my channel, and subscribe for more daily uploads. Thanks for watching.